Welcome to SuspensionMAXX World Headquarters in Bay City, Michigan. Here we have two SuspensionMAXX leveled Chevrolet Duramaxes, model 2016 and 2017. We've installed our 3-inch leveling kit, which includes upper control arms, Bilstein shocks, and our MAXXCAM patented leveling kit. One of the common questions I get from customers is drive axle angle. We've installed our drive axle drop kit, drops the differential down, flattens out the drive axle angle, and makes this truck maintain the factory drive axle degrees that are intended by the factory, and reduces driveline vibration that other companies tend to get with their leveling kits when they lift them 2 inches or more. So if you have a truck like this, you need a SuspensionMAXX leveling kit that lowers the drive axle angle. And here I've put up a degree indicator to give you an idea of what the degrees on the drive shaft are. It's got about 9 to 10 degrees of drive axle angle sitting on the ground here. This is a wonderful driving truck. Get yours today, SuspensionMAXX.